Okay, so today is Friday morning, right? 6 o'clock. And I just put the second coat of varnish on these two guys. They're two posts, and I'm going to call them MikroPosts, spelled M-I-K-R-O, just to kind of maintain the theme, right? But yesterday at noon, the portions of the post look like that. They were from boards that were out in my yard for almost 4 years. And then here's another one that was really getting bad. They were out there and they were starting to get rot along the edges and that, because they were just out in the weather, right? So they basically have air dried. But took those apart, cut them up, followed some sequences and so on. And then again, as of right now, what I have is these two posts. And these, for instance, would be for the foot of a bed. They're about 30, they turned out to be about 30 inches high. A rustic bed, of course, but my rustic is not gaudy rustic. It's not the heavy, monstrous stuff. It's basically fine-tuned to get rid of most of that stuff, but keep a lot of the rusticity within the character of the wood itself. So that's where we're at. And again, it's only been less than 18 hours, and a lot of that was spent sleeping and having dinners and everything else. Really, a lot of that was the dry time on the coats of varnish. So that's where I'm at today so far.